Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am participant of ECOSAT 2022. Participant identity. My name is Nabila with my group Roni Eka Putra and Hendry Koswara. Major of Public Administration, Faculty of Social and Political Science, Andhra University 2022. Our research background is because pandemic global. This research is motivated by the spread of the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 virus outbreak that originated from Wuhan, Hubei, China, and then spread throughout the world, including Indonesia. The impact of the spread of the COVID-19 then attacked the health, economy, social, politics, education of the national life. Due to the high number of the COVID-19 cases, the President of the Republic Indonesia, Joko Widodo, on April 13, 2020, declared that COVID-19 had become a non-natural national disaster. This is a state-rock President of Decree Kepres, the Republic Indonesia number 12 of 2020. Considering the determination of non-natural disaster of the spread of coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. Next, our research, little review of our research is first by Eko Budi Lestari 2020. The title is Implementasi Kebijakan Refocusing dan Realokasi APBD tahun anggaran 2020 pada masa pandemi COVID-19 di Kota Bengkulu, Provinsi Bengkulu. Dan Nata Sanjaya 2020, the title is Kebijakan Penganggaran Daerah di Masa Pandemi COVID-19, Studi Kasus pada Pemerintah Daerah Provinsi Banten. Next, Evi Gradiani 2020, mengungkapkan fenomena anggaran perubahan dan partisipasi masyarakat akibat pandemi COVID-19. Next, Edi Sudaryanto 2020, Strategi Relokasi APBD untuk Penanggulangan Pandemi COVID-19, Studi Kasus pada Pemerintahan Daerah X. Next, our research using the method descriptive qualitative method with data collection technique using interview, observation, and document. Informant selection technique of our research is not probability sampling, it's purposive sampling. Our research are Bukit Tinggi City Financial Agency of Bukit Tinggi. I'm sorry, in here is our training day. Next, in the implementation of various policies carried out by the government in an effort to manage the shift in budget refocusing, the Bukit Tinggi City government has refocusing the budget 7 times with the following description. First, Keputusan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 10 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. Next, Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 16 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan kedua atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. Next, Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 20 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan ketiga atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. Next, Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 25 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan keempat atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. Dan Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 29 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan kelima atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. Dan Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 30 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan ke-6 atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. And last, Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 56 tahun 2020 tentang perubahan ke-7 atas Peraturan Wali Kota Bukit Tinggi nomor 40 tahun 2019 tentang penjabaran APBD tahun anggaran 2020. All of this, the refocusing is number 3 and 6. The Bukit Tinggi, the budget refocusing of Bukit Tinggi, the extreme change budget is around number 3 and number 6. Next, the impact of the refocusing, but the budget refocusing in the implementation. is in the income. The Bukit Tinggi City government has predicted that the economic rate of Bukit Tinggi City will range from 5 until 6%. The city of Bukit Tinggi then before shifting the target of the city's revenue figure to more than 800 billion. After saying this achievement of the previous regional income in the 2019 fiscal years, which reached more than 700 billion. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the economic rate of Bukit Tinggi City actually decreases to the around 113%, with the release of the regional revenue budget at about 600 billion more. And next, in expenditure, increased expenditure, especially unexpected expenditure, or in Indonesia belanja tidak terduga or BTT, actually increased. Then the city government spending budget also experienced a decrease in the budget with a percentage of 11.28% of the total budget before the change, around 600 billion, then become 800 billion after the change. We are made with the Hague's revising change being transferred to the expected expenditure budget or BTT from from 2,000 rupiah, then increase it to the a percent of 2,119.40%, so that the budget become around 48 billion rupiah. That's our conclusion about this research. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.